Hi, I'm Paris, and today is the day I upgrade my Dell Inspiron 15 5000 computer into the world of Wi-Fi 6.
Epic Review Guys.
I bought my laptop last year on a Black Friday special, very good deal, $549, with the intent of upgrading several of the components, one of which is the Wi-Fi chip. In a previous video, I reviewed this router, the RX4 1500. This is a Wi-Fi 6 router, or 802.11ax. This helps out when you have a very crowded Wi-Fi network, where there are so many devices in your own home or office, or where you live or work. There are lots of nearby neighbors with loads of Wi-Fi devices, and those Wi-Fi signals are congesting the airwaves for you. Now, just upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6 router can help your situation, even if all your devices are older and don't support it. But better yet is to have Wi-Fi 6 compatible devices, then they can take full advantage of the improvements. And the Juplin company was kind enough to give me an extra router to give away to one of the viewers of this video. Keep watching and find out how you'll have a chance to win this. Now, replacing the Wi-Fi module in this laptop isn't terribly complicated. I do have to be careful disconnecting and reconnecting the antenna because I'm not removing that. But I'll be following the instructions from the Dell service manual, which I'll be looking at on my other laptop. And the Dell service manual is pretty good at warning you about things and telling you how to do things properly. But if you decide you'd like to do this on your own to your own laptop, you are doing it at your own risk. There are things that can go wrong, especially if you have a static charge, you open it up and you get a little spark that jumps to one of the components, you can damage your laptop. So be sure on the Dell service manual website, read what to do before opening up your computer. And here on the Dell website in the service manual, they tell you, before even removing the cover, read through the safety instructions. Then they show you the screws that you'll need to remove. You pry it loose and lift it up. Then you have to go and disconnect the battery. And then they want you to turn the computer over, press the power button for 15 seconds in order to completely discharge the system board. And here's my laptop. Let's get started. With the screws removed, they say to use your fingernails to pry away the base from the rest of the computer. I was not able to do that, so I've opened it up. And I'm currently working, this is the corner you're supposed to start with, to be able to push this back part away, and I can get just a little of it going there. And I can hear the plastic clicking, so I know if I can get it to go far enough, it'll unclick, and then I can take it the rest of the way around. Job for the fingernails, though, this is not. So I've brought over some more prying tools. Okay. As I said, more than fingernails are required. Okay, I think fingernails can take it from here. Voila. This is the battery. Takes up a big chunk of the laptop, doesn't it? The instructions say to peel off the tape that holds the cable to the battery. Okay. Then peel off the tape that secures the battery cable to the battery cable connector. Battery cable connector. Seems to pull the cable right with it. Okay, cable is unplugged, so the battery is now unplugged from the system. At this point, they want me to turn the computer back over and open it up and press and hold the power button. So I'm going to put that in place so nothing touches things that it shouldn't. Flip it over. Open the display. And then press and hold the power button. Battery's disconnected. It will not come on. It better not come on. Pressing and holding for 15 seconds. This gets rid of any electricity that might have still been left in the system board. With that done, close the screen again, flip it back over, remove the base cover again. Let's see what we've got. All right, here's my new Wi-Fi 6 wireless card, and it is going to replace this card right here. The first thing is to remove the one screw holding on the bracket that holds the card in place. Looks like the screw wants to come with the bracket here. Okay. Remove those. Now the Wi-Fi card actually attaches here. All the connectors are under this little black piece, and then there are two antennas attached to the card. This is the delicate work. I'm taking a picture of the wireless card here with the wires in place, just in case something happens and I'm not sure how to reattach things. Now I think they're little bumps and they snap onto that. The card itself is pretty loose here. Maybe I can just slide it out and then work on the antennas. Okay, I've slid it out. So just the two antennas now. So the one without the white label on it goes to the very end antenna. That's what I got to remember. I'm going to try to just snap it up and off. Snap. There, good snap. Don't want to hear a bad snap, just a good snap. So that's the one without the white label, and it goes on the very end. Snap. One more good snap. I didn't hear snap, but it definitely came off. And yeah, they do definitely just snap over and onto those two bumps. Next is to take the new wireless card and attach the antennas. Snap, good, okay. Okay, one snap. Come on, come on. Two snaps. Okay, we're good. We're snapped. Gotta slide this in now without popping the antennas off. Come on. Okay. Next is to reinstall this bracket and the screw. Okay, back in business. With that, I just need to reconnect the battery cable to the connector here. Slide it in. And put the tape back on. And that tape on the cable is good. All right, ready to reassemble. All right, time to snap this back on. Okay, and now to put screws back in. Okay, that's it. I've put the three longer screws back in along this edge with the hinges, the shorter screws here. Ready to start it up and see if it detects some new hardware. Well, I'm not on Wi-Fi, not sure if it's the card or might not have the driver for it installed in Windows 10. Well, it detected my Intel Wi-Fi 6 device. It says this device is working properly. Maybe it forgot my Wi-Fi settings. Yep, that was it. Just had to re-enter the password. Now I'm on my network. With my Wi-Fi 6 chip installed and my Wi-Fi 6 router in the far back bedroom of the house, I have noticed one change. The bars for signal strength have gone up once I installed this new chip. Hopefully over time, as we upgrade our devices in the house and they support Wi-Fi 6, I'll be able to see more improvements from having a Wi-Fi 6 router and Wi-Fi 6 devices. It'll also be an improvement when the neighbors do that, because their older signals coming through here also create some problems for our network. I'll link to the exact Wi-Fi 6 chip that I installed in my laptop down below this video. I'll also link to my review of this laptop. Even now in March of 2020, I still think this is the best upgradable budget laptop you can buy. And the giveaway of this router. Do your part to improve Wi-Fi in your neighborhood by getting yourself this Wi-Fi 6 router. All you have to do to be entered for a chance to win is to comment down below this video something about Wi-Fi, wireless networks, Wi-Fi 6, and on March 21st, 2020, I will go through and pick one of the comments, get in touch with you by responding to your comment on YouTube, and get this in the mail to you. And if you end up not being a winner, I'll link to my review of this Wi-Fi 6 router as well as the product itself also down below this video, and I'll see you on the next review.
Shopping is easy when you know what to buy. At EpicReviewGuys, we give it a try. What does the fox buy? Nobody knows, but before he goes shopping, he watches our